Here's a really simple technique to break twigs quickly and efficiently. I'm wearing safety glasses when I'm doing this. You could also be wearing leather safety gloves for added safety and protection. I'm using a brick hammer here to break these twigs. This is easier than breaking them across your knee, especially if you're doing a lot of twigs. So I'm putting a twig over two patio stones. There's a gap between, and then when I hit the twig, the twig often breaks into two pieces, which is better than just breaking it in half. You can see it's very simple. The brick hammer smashes through the twig. You can do this for a long time and you won't get tired or hurt your knee if you need to process a lot of twigs. It's very simple to do this. The smaller twigs work better. The bigger the twig is, the harder it is to break the twig. You can see how quickly I can break them. And be sure you don't hit your hand when you are using hammer. The twigs can sometimes bounce up, which is why I have safety glasses on. I just move down the twig and keep on breaking the twig. The twig should be nice and dry when you're doing this. It will be difficult to break green twigs, and green twigs don't burn well. They have to be dry, dead twigs. The fuel has to be dry. So you can also store it in, say, a garbage can in a shed, and then it'll eventually dry out if your fuel is a little damp. Here's a thicker stick, and it's much harder to break it using this technique. This technique works better on the thinner sticks and twigs. So you can also use your foot. See, I'm going to try and break a big stick like this, and sometimes they don't break very well using this technique. But thinner ones work really well. You don't have to have a patio stone. You can have any type of stone or a piece of wood, anything where you can make a simpler arrangement. Just lean the twig against something and then break it. Step on it and break it. It's very easy to do this, and you can process a lot of twigs very quickly. They have to be a small size to burn efficiently in the twig stove or in the wood gas stove. Now I'm using this technique, the step-on technique, to break a thicker branch or twig. Here's another view of it. So you can see the twig sometimes flips forward, so that's why you have safety glasses on, so in case you get hit in the face, there's no problem. Just be careful and use common sense. Here's my twigs ready to be burned. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.